Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Samai Marie, aka Maya, and today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be showing you a new do for your wig installs, you guys. So first off, what I like to say is, one, if this video does well, which I hope it does, I want to make this a new series on the channel. And basically what I want the series to be about is basically showing you guys a couple of styles, especially like trending styles and styles that usually like you have to go to your hairstylist to do. I want to be able to show you guys how to do those styles right from home. I do enjoy doing trending styles. I don't always take pictures of the styles that I do, so some of the styles that I've done you guys have not even seen me do, and that's an issue because I'm supposed to be showing y'all everything. So that's why I want to introduce this series to the channel, guys. But like I said, I want to be showing you guys how to do this cute half up half down style. I'm going to be inserting some pictures maybe like right here and like right here. I just want to show you guys easy way, quick way of how to do it on your wig install. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. I have already have the wig installed. If you guys want to check out how I do my wig installs and how I get this seamless look and how I get it to just blend right in, no lace, you guys can check the card that is going to be inserted right above this video. Click on the card and I'll be sure to show you guys how to install your wigs if you're not sure how. And if you're not sure how, that is okay, because that's what I do. I'll show you how to do it. Be sure to watch that video first. Make sure to also hit that like button over there, and then come back and then I'll show you how to style it. Last but not least, before we get into the video, of course, y'all be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Our channel is growing and growing and growing, and y'all probably already seen it, but we are on our way to 2K. Yes, that sounds crazy to even think about, but yes, we are on our way and on the road to 2K. So let's go ahead and run up them subscribers. Subscribe, and then you know your good sis got you. Join the community, babe. Last but not least, make sure to hit that notification bell, because speaking on not missing out on anything, you're going to want to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. When I do styles like this and this becomes a series on the channel, you can be hip to all the trending styles and you can know how to do them yourself without having to pay $200, $300 to go get your hair done. Go ahead and just hit the notification bell. You're helping yourself, okay? And you helping me help you. So yeah, okay, let me not waste no more time. Stop the chit chat. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, so before we get into this step-by-step tutorial, these are the things that you're going to be needing for this hairstyle, and that's excluding like the products, of course, but like I said, products will be listed down in the description box below. So once we start, I like to start off by sectioning the bangs of this hairstyle. I like to just start off with my sectioning in general, guys. Trust me, sectioning the hair before you actually start styling it makes everything 100% easier. Like, it just makes everything go by so much quicker. And guys, let me tell you, this style only took me about maybe like 30 minutes to do. So after I sectioned out the bangs, I went ahead and I started sectioning out that middle part, that part that kind of goes like, you know, there's like 3 sections basically. Like, you know, you have the top part, I don't know what to call it, and then you got the sides. So I consider that like 3 different parts. Anywho's, so basically, once I go ahead and get my sections done, I start getting ready to mold it into place. Now guys, I already said in the beginning of the video, this is a 13x4 lace front wig. Now most stylists would recommend a 13x6, but I'm about to be showing you that you can do with a 13x4. Okay, so after I got everything sectioned off, like I said, I'm starting off on that middle part and we're going in with some styling mousse. So I went ahead, added like 1 pump combed it out, and I also made sure to, like, you know, be gentle near the parts, because the parts need to be clean. I'm gonna tell you that now. The parts need to be clean. The parts not clean, it ain't gonna look right. So after going in with some mousse, I'm going ahead with my wax stick, and I'm just doing like a little thin little layer, you know, thin little top coat, so that everything can mold into place. And then once I go hit it with some spritz and my hot comb, everything gonna stay in place, okay? Because I don't need nothing moving, shifting, nothing, because y'all gotta think, you know, when you wrap your hair up at night and you go to sleep, you know, you don't want nothing moving around, and then the hair is too soft and you got to keep doing it every single day. You don't want that. So go ahead and make sure you mold everything into place and give it the products it needs so that it can last, okay? Now, as y'all can see, I'm going in with that hot comb and I'm combing everything thoroughly. And not only is this going to help me mold the hair in place, but it's also going to make sure that everything is smooth and sleek, guys. You don't want no lumps and bumps on your head, because y'all got to think, this is a wig, okay? This is not my actual hair, obviously. So you got to make sure that there's no lumps. You got to make sure everything is smooth. So after I smoothed out everything, I put it in a rubber band. I used 2 of the little small ones, and I went in with some more spritz to really seal the deal. And I took the back of my hot comb. Don't mind my hot comb, guys. It's on its like last leg, okay? Don't mind my hot comb. But I took the back of my hot comb, smoothed it out, and then I also combed it through. Now, you can use a blow dryer after you done sealed the deal, basically, but I'm not going to do that because not only am I lazy, but I'm stubborn. And I didn't feel like going to find it and plucking it up and all that stuff. So, after I was dried and it was like, you know, pretty much solid, kind of like a little helmet, basically, I went ahead and moved on to the next part. So basically on this next part, we're going to be working on these sides. So as you can see, I only grabbed a little bit of hair, but that was pretty much my mistake. I'm telling you all that now. Y'all might as well just grab the rest of that top half of hair, okay? Because you want the bun to be thick. And in my head, I'm like, no, that's going to be too much hair. You know, it's going to look weird and da-da-da-da-da. But no, I ended up redoing my ponytail, because I didn't have enough hair. So just take that whole top half of the hair. Once you do that, you can go ahead and section off the bottom half of the hair, the half of the hair that stays down, and we're going to start you know, molding the sides into place, right? So you can either do both sides at one time, or you can do one side at a time. I did one side at a time so I can give each side its like individual attention. And so basically I'm going in with a thin layer of mousse, just like one pump. And I'm also, of course, going in with my wax stick and spritz. So it's like the same layers of product that I use for each section, guys. And I just make sure that everything is smooth, no tangles, no lumps, nothing. Make sure everything is smooth. And then once I did one side, I went ahead and, you know, put in a ponytail in the back, you know, rubber band it up, as you can see. And I did that under the first ponytail, right? I did it underneath the first ponytail, not on top, underneath, okay? That's what you want to do. Then after going ahead and putting in that, you know, the ponytail, of course, well, let me just go ahead and let myself finish. But yeah, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, this is why I said I took it down, because you can pretty much see, like that side looks good. But the other side, it looks a little too, like it's a lump right there. And I tried to fix it, but it turns out the hair was just too loose. So basically, I ended up having to redo it, because not only was it not enough hair, but also I accidentally made it too loose. So it's sleek, but it's not tight. I need it to be, you know, tight, so nothing is moving, nothing's lumping up. Also, what I also discovered was you can do the sides first, and then you can do the top part. If you're having trouble doing it the way I did it, you can do it either or. So after I went back in, I did it off camera, fixed my ponytail. We're going to go ahead and work on the bun now. So what I'm doing is ponytailing up everything and then making this little like tiara bun, right? We used to do that back in the day. So basically, after you make a little tiara bun, you're going to take the excess hair. As you can see, it's bone straight, because my hair was bone straight. we're going to be curling the ends so that they kind of fall like towards the bun, but like still kind of stand up a little bit. And I'm putting one more rubber band on it so that everything can be like secure, right? Not only am I going to rubber band it, but I'm also going to take one piece, like kind of like from behind the ponytail, like directly behind. And I'm just going to wrap it around the roots of the bun, guys. That makes sure that you cannot see that rubber band, because if you can see that rubber band, that's ghetto. Don't let anybody see no rubber band. So after we went ahead and put that piece of hair, wrapped it around some spritz, I teased out the hair because it ain't supposed to be like all nice and neat. It's supposed to be like teased out and kind of messy. You know what I'm saying? That's giving it the edgy look, you know? So after that, I went ahead and combed out the hair. I did go back in and flat iron it just so that it can look, you know, nice and neat. And then I'm going in with my bangs. So I put a little bit of wax on the roots. And then I went ahead in with my flat iron just so that I can mold the hair so that it's not touching my face. Like, even though it's hanging in front of my face, it ain't touching my face. You know what I'm saying? And I know you didn't see, I didn't record myself doing it, but I did cut the hair. Like, I did cut the bangs so that they can be even, and then so that they can be like, you know, like that blunt cut. So I was trying not to, but I was like, yo, it's not gonna look right if I don't. So I didn't want to cut it, but I did, and trust me, it looks so much better. Then after I did that, I'm going ahead and like restyling my edges. So as you can see, they was already kind of done, but they got messed up along the way. So what I do is I take some spritz and I just put a little bit on my finger, and then I put that spritz on the hairs, and I comb them into place, and I mold them into place until I get them how I like them. And that's how I kind of make sure that they're like still kind of fluffy, but they not like too oily and greasy looking, or, you know, my lace don't start coming up because of the products. You know, everything just looked so cute after I did this, guys. And look at that. Look at that. We look so cute, guys. But that's not all. After I went ahead and did that, I wanted to bump the ends. And I ain't gonna lie, you grew up black, that's a traumatic thing to hear. But, you know, that's all I do nowadays. So I don't know what type of trauma response that is. But anywho's, went ahead, bumped the ends, guys. And y'all, it looked so cute. Like, I do not regret bumping the ends. I love the curls. I was gonna keep it straight, but I was like, I feel like it adds more definition and volume to the hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? If I just bump the ends. So as y'all can see, y'all, I'm adding a little bit of, I think, mousse just to keep everything, you know, sleek. Added in a clip in my hair. And after I added in a clip for accessories, you know, just give it a little bit more personality, I went ahead and with some concealer on my parts so that you can really see them sections, y'all. Look at that. Look how the difference that it makes. Okay, just a little bit of concealer can really transform the whole hairstyle. Like, that look like it's a 13 by 6 instead of a 13 by 4. So y'all, look at that. Look at that. And period. That's all you gotta do. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result, guys. And as you see, I tried to move my lamp a little bit closer so y'all can kind of see what I was doing to the hair as I was trying to mold it into place. I am so sorry about the lighting, guys. We are having technical difficulties, so bear with me. But as you guys can see, like in the light, yo, this is so sleek, so neat. I feel like this hairstyle gives like very much like 90s vibes. I love it. Like, look how, like, first of all, let's get into the quality of the hair. Okay, hair is mad silky. She moves. Look, she moves. Very full bodied. I keep combing it because I don't know, one thing about me, when I curl the ends of my hair, especially like for styles like this, like, I don't know, I like for them to be kind of unified. So I kind of like them to be like kind of like this, like, you know what I'm saying? But I know, like, when you move around and you're talking and things of that nature, it's like it's not gonna stay like that. It's gonna be going every which way. So if you see me like doing stuff like that a lot of times, or raking it through. That's why, because I just like my curls to be like in uniform. But either way, that's besides the point. I'm loving it. I feel like a little baby doll. So yo, I'm so excited to take pictures in this style. That is officially style number 1 of the series. This is going to be the half up, half down style that we add to the channel. We are going to be wrapping up this video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, all the products that I used in this tutorial will be linked down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Also, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know that you like the content that I'm creating as a small influencer, or a growing small influencer and content creator. Not also does that let me know that you like it. It also helps in support wise. That means you're supporting me, and that means also that it's going to let the algorithm know to keep boosting this video out, so not only you can see it, but the other babes can see it too, so we can all be baddies together. Also, oh yeah, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss any of my future videos, because we got heat coming all year round. And you know what I'm saying, it's officially summer now. You know, it is July, officially summer. So you're gonna need all these styles so that when you go out this weekend, you look like this. Anywho's, not only to subscribe, make sure you hit that bell button. That's going to notify you whenever I drop a video. That way you don't have to miss another of the bangers I got coming. And yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, bye babes. Mwah.